Welcome to English with Modi YouTube channel. How well do you know your kitchen? Can you name these 30 common kitchen tools in English? Test your knowledge and see if you can get them all right. What is this called in English? This is a knife. What is this called in English? This is a cutting board. What is this called in English? This is a peeler. What is this called in English? This is a grater. What is this called in English? This is a whisk. What is this called in English? This is a spatula. What is this called in English? This is a wooden spoon. What is this called in English? This is tongs. What is this called in English? This is a ladle. What is this called in English? This is a slotted spoon. What is this called in English? This is a mixing bowls. What is this called in English? These are measuring cups. What is this called in English? These are measuring spoons. What is this called in English? This is a colander or strainer. What is this called in English? This is a rolling pin. What is this called in English? This is a blender. What is this called in English? This is a food processor. What is this called in English? This is a garlic press. What is this called in English? This is a can opener. What is this called in English? This is a kitchen scissors. What is this called in English? This is a pizza opener. What is this called in English? This is an ice cream scoop. What is this called in English? This is a potato masher. What is this called in English? This is a citrus juicer. What is this called in English? This is a kitchen thermometer. What is this called in English? This is a pastry brush. What is this called in English? This is a kitchen funnel. What is this called in English? This is mortar and pestle. What is this called in English? This is an egg separator. What is this called in English? This is a pasta server. Cooking becomes easier and more enjoyable when you know the right tools and their names in English. Each kitchen tool has its own purpose that helps you prepare delicious meals with confidence. Now that you have learned 30 essential kitchen tools, try naming them in your own kitchen. Practice makes perfect. If you enjoyed this lesson, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to English with Modi. Turn on the notification bell so you never miss a new vocabulary or speaking lesson. And please tell me in the comments, which kitchen tool do you use the most?